Hello. Today's thought is later is the best friend of clutter. You know, it's true. When you're going through clutter, when you're going through it and you say, oh, I'll take care of that later. I can't decide. And you're doing that delayed decision, that clutter stays clutter. Or if you want to create some clutter, always say, I'll take care of this later, and sling it. Just sling it wherever it lands, on the top of, on below, on the floor, hanging on something, stuffed in somewhere. I'll take care of this later. That is instant clutter. If you want to create clutter, start saying, I'll take care of this later. I'll do that later. I'll decide later. When you are going through your clutter, let's talk about that because that's what we're dealing with. When you are going through your clutter pile, your little 15-minute pile, and you get to something that you don't want to make a decision on because it's emotional, it's sentimental, you spend a lot of money on it, you have decision fatigue, you still need to make the decision to say, throw away, give away, put away. Make the decision and then put it away or throw it away or give it away. Later, when you come to re-decluttering, which happens naturally, you'll go, why did I keep this? And then you can give it away again. But make a decision. Don't say later. That's it for today. Have a great day.